Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5 S model. We're doing tie rods. Tie rods, inner and outer on both sides. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, I went ahead and sprayed it down. It's WD-40, PV Blast, whatever you want. And broke it free. I used a hammer, tapped the end of it just to give it some torque. Alright, we gotta remove this cotter pin. Got the cotter pin out. That's going to be a 19 mil. And now we want to tap the spindle right here. Alright, broke that free. Got some nice wobble in that. Nice play. And of course, make sure you count your threads when we reinstall. I want to put it in the same formation. Alright, that inner, we got a little play, but it's not too bad, but it's definitely moving. Now I want to get this bolt off. It's pretty tight, so I'm holding that in. Put a 22 on this, and I'm going to back that out with my impact. Got that off. I'm gonna take our boot off. Got this clip here. Once we get that off, we gotta get back here. It's a clip right there. We gotta get that off. Should be able to get it from this side. I'll show you. That clip, that piece right there, you wanna knock it, break it free. I just use my flathead and just tapped it, and it's broken free. Boot off, we can reuse that. Yeah, these new ones gonna be a lot better. This is not too bad, but all right. Luckily, I was able to get this up in here like that, and I hit that in with my hammer. Get a little force, bump it free, and we can come off. And there we go, inner and outer. Alright, so the fact of the matter is that we want no play. Now, I was able to move this around. This, I can't, as you can see. No play. I got too much play. See that, right? Can't do that with that. Alright, brand new one. No play. This one, got play. That's the difference. You want a stiff, firm ride. No bumps. It's going to detect bumps with the old ones.